Everyone, today we are going to solve the Python coding question from the HackerRank. Here is the task. The provided code stub reads the two integers from stdin a and b. Add code to print three lines where the first line contains the sum of the two numbers. The second line contains the difference of the two numbers, first minus second. The third line contains the product of the two numbers. Example, a equal to 3 and b equal to 5. So print the following: 8 minus 2 and 15. Here there is an input format. As you can see, the first line contains the first integer a. The second line contains the second integer b. Okay. Now output format. Print the three lines as explained below. Suppose there is sample input 3, 2. So what should be the output? 5, 1, 6. Okay. So first understand what the question is exactly asking. You are given two integers as input, and you need to perform three basic arithmetic operations on them. The first requirement is to calculate their sum, which means adding the first number and the second number. The second requirement is to calculate their difference, specifically subtracting the second number from the first number. The third requirement is to calculate their product, which means multiplying both numbers. Finally, you need to print these three results on separate lines in the same order. Now let's go step by step through the code and connect each line with the requirement of the question. So let's start our coding. If name equal to main if name equal to main this line ensures that the code inside it runs only when the script is executed directly. It is a standard Python practice and does not directly relate to the logic of the problem, but it is used to structure the program properly. So the next line is a equal to int input here. The question says the first line of input contains the first integer. So we use input to take input from the user and int to convert that input into an integer. This value is sorted in the variable a. Now the next line is b equal to int input Similarly, the question says the second line contains the second integer. So again we take input and convert it into an integer, storing it in variable b. Now we start performing operations as required. The next line is print a plus b. The question asks for the sum of the two numbers in the first output line. So we add a and b and print the result. The next line is print a minus b. The question asks for the difference, first minus second. So we subtract b from a and print the result. The final line is print a star b. The question asks for the product of the two numbers. So we multiply a and b and print the result. Now let's check it. If name equal to main, here we skip the underscore. A equal to int input, b equal to int input, print a plus b, print a minus b, a star b. So let's run this code. So this code directly follows the problem requirements and prints the output in the correct format. Thank you.